automatically, even if it is the government land or not the government land, what we have done is illegal. We are illegally occupying it. It doesn't mean to the private people or whatever. We are aware that we are illegally occupying this land. But if this land belongs to the government, the part of the illegality falls away because we want the government to give people land whatsoever.
Dit is die stuk grond in Stilfontein waaroor inwoners en grondgrypers haaks is. Ntepang is die leier van die besetters en sê as daar wel 'n ander stuk grond is, soos wat die munisipaliteit beloof, hulle sal verhuis. Die besetters het die polisie gewaarsku om nie in te meng nie.
We don't want to be provoked. We don't want to be provoked. We should do things the right way. When they bring the police and strengthen their muscle, we'll also do that because the people of Kuma have been staying on those checks for the better time, but we want to do things the right way.
Die grond is egter nie geskik vir mense om op te bly nie.
Daar's ook 'n Transnet pyplyn wat loop onder die betrokke grond. Dit is dolomitiese grond en volgens wet is daar 'n servituut. Dit is hoë druk brandstoflyn wat daar loop. Die burgemeester het aangedui dat die grond nie geskik is vir menslike nedersetting nie. Volgens ons moet die polisie optree aangesien dit privaat eiendom is.
Sake van betreding is by die polisie geopen, maar niemand is nog in hegtenis geneem nie.
We respect everybody, black and white. We want to stay together. But those who don't want to stay with us, N12, they can take the N12 and go straight Cape Town. There's a sea that side.
Gerard Pretorius, 1 Nuus, Stilfontein.